Is this the best 3-channel dashcam? We're gonna find out today. This is the Viofo A229 Plus dashcam. This is a 3-channel dashcam. This is a 2K resolution for the front, 2K resolution for the rear, and 1080p for the interior. And today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is in this video coming up next. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with this picture for the installation. It helps a lot how to connect the cables. This is the camera that has a screen. The menu buttons are on the front. On the side, this is for the rear camera connection and the reset button, the slot for the micro SD card, and the connection for the interior of the camera. Okay, and on the top has the power for the connection, and this is the front camera. It comes with a trim tool, the instructions, everything for the installation, the interior of the camera with IR LED, and the connection. This is the rear camera and the connection on the side, and this is the cable for the rear camera. Okay, USB-C to USB-C, and this is the power cable USB-C to USB-A, and this is a serial connection, and this is an extra cable to connect it to the computer, and this is the cable for the interior of the camera, and this is what comes inside of the box. Okay, and this is the hardwiring kit that you can get if you want to turn on the parking mode for the camera. You will need this in order to work. And also remember to get a micro SD card. This is a 64 gigs SD card. And this one is a polarized lens that helps with the glare of the sun and the glare of the headlights at night. Okay, we have to set it up. English. See, English. Okay, let's see, we can put the lamp. Okay, let's check this one out. English. Let's press. I think this is the one for the okay. Yeah. Time zone, I think is +6. I think in here. I think so. Okay, when you get to the app, I think the app will set the time automatically. Miles per hour. Okay. All data format SD card, yes. And then it's formatting the SD card.
Memory card format successful.
That's great. All right, so we have the cameras here. The front, what is in the front? Oh, this is the rear camera.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Okay. This is what it is. This the interior, and this is the front camera. Front, rear, and interior. Okay. So the buttons for the menu. Sorry. Okay, now let's see how to set it up with the menu. Okay, the menu. I think these 3 lines is for the menu. It takes a picture because it's still recording. We have to stop the recording right there, and then we can go to the menu, video settings, resolution. Let's see, resolution 1040 is a 2K in the front, 2K for the rear, and 1080p for the interior. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Then the next one, bit rate. Normal Yeah, let's leave it normal. Loop recording, 1 minute. Yeah, I always tell the 1 minute is better because the file is gonna be smaller and it's gonna download faster. But you can leave it on 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 minutes for each file. Let's leave it 1 minute. Okay. Record audio. It's on. It's okay. Then exposure value. Let's see that one. Front camera in 0. Let's leave it like that out because I don't know that much about that one. So let's leave it like that. Exposure. HDR. It's on. And then the G sensor, medium. The G sensor, I'm gonna leave it in low because sometimes when you hit a bump, it will lock the video. We don't want that. So leave it in low. The stamp, the date, the GPS. So it has a lot of things you can turn on and off in here. Okay. Let's see. Time-lapse recording. It's off. Yeah, let's leave it off. The EIR LED, that's for the interior of the camera. It's auto. Yeah, let's leave it in auto. Parking recording. For the parking recording, you will need a hard wiring kit. Okay, we don't have that right now. Image rotate and mirror. Let's see. For the rear camera, for the interior. Okay. I think for now, I think it's okay. If I have to rotate any of the view of the cameras, you can rotate it here. Okay. And then let me see the next one. We already saw that one. Custom text. If you want to do that, I don't want to do that right now. License plate number. You can put your license plate in there if you want. Live view source. Let's see that one. Front camera, all the cameras, yes, all the cameras. And that's it for the video recording. Let's go back for the settings. Okay, and the settings is the Wi-Fi. You can turn it on and off, and you could put it on 5G, 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it off. Time zone, we already did that. The date. Everything I think is gonna be updated when you connect to the app. We will do that in a little bit. Boot delay. I think you wanna turn off the screen for now. Let's leave it like that. LEDs all on. Okay. Parking mode LED all on. Beep sound all. Let's leave it off. Yes, just better. Yes. Voice notification on. You know what? I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah. And then let's go for the next one. Voice notification volume. I already turned it off, but you can leave it in low if it's too annoying. Voice control, you can set up, leave it on, and then you can put the voice commands. You can select the ones you want to turn on. Okay, for me I don't leave it like that right now. The GPS is on. Speed units, miles per hour. Screensaver, after 1 minute it will turn off the screen. That's okay. Frequency 50 Hertz. That's okay. Language English. Okay. Then next one, format the SD card. Yes, but we don't want to do it right now. Format reminder, if you want to set up that one up. Default settings, you want to delete everything on the camera to make it to the stock view, the version. And now this is the version of the camera right there, Viofo A229S. Okay, the Wi-Fi, we already saw this one. Okay, so that's it for the settings. And here you can see the files, video files. Yes, we only have 3 right now. We just installed the camera, and you can yeah. So that's everything for the settings on the camera. Now let's download the app and let's see how to change the settings on the app and how to download the video. Okay, we got it. We have to download this app. Let's open it. The Viofo dashcam. Connect to this one. Then allow. Next. Okay, we have to turn on the Wi-Fi. Oh, we have to turn on the car first. Okay, we have to turn on the Wi-Fi. I think we have to hold this one, and the Wi-Fi is on. Okay, so now let's look for the Wi-Fi in here. Okay, right here, 5G Viofo. That's the one. Let's put the password and click join. See, it's connecting. Connected. Alright, let's click connect. And it's connecting. Yes. Okay, it's connected. So in here you can see the cameras, the rear, the front, the interior, and the front. Okay, this one, it looks like that because the trunk is open. So now let's see how it works. The app is recording 2K for the front, 2K for the rear, and 1080p for the interior. Okay, you can switch the camera here in this button in here. Click that one and it will switch. And there, and then the trunk, the rear, and all the cameras. Okay, you can take a screenshot in this one. Success. Okay, the files, you have to stop recording, and then you can see the files right here. It's opening. So in here there are the videos. You can select any of the videos like this one, and to download it, yes, okay, you can click this one. So in here you can see this one. Oh. Right there. You have to allow full access, and then it's downloading. Oh, it's downloading very fast. It's because it's a 5G. Okay, but I don't want to download it right now. Okay, so that's how you download the video. You select the video in here, but you have to stop the recording, and you can click there. For the settings, I think you have to turn off the video too. Turn it off, and then go to the settings, and here you can change the resolution. That's fine. The loop recording, 1 minute, it's okay. The exposure, I can leave it like that. The HDR is on, okay. Auto HDR timer, time is fine. G sensor, we change it to low. Date stamp, yeah, is on. Bit rate normal. Time lapse off, and then time zone is that. And this one, let's put it month, day, and year. The date. The LED is auto. It's everything that we already saw, but it's LED status, LED parking recording, parking mode is off, parking recording timer. We have that off because for that you will need hard wiring kit. Okay, parking G sensor, high sensitivity, put it low. Okay, parking motion detection, medium. Rear camera rotate. I have the rotation of the interior because it was upside down. You can change that in here too. Notification sounds, it's off. Yeah, let's leave it off. No sounds. The GPS is on, miles per hour. We already saw all of this on the menu, but you can change everything here. The logo, you can remove it if you don't want the logo. The screensaver, the frequency, language, voice notification, format the SD card, the Wi-Fi channel, 5G, that's super fast. Okay, what else? The password, you can change the password here. The configuration, you can add text if you want. The license plate, you can free space, you can format the card, SD card in there, and reset camera settings to the factory settings. Okay, so that's everything on the app. That's super easy, but this is a good thing. It has a lot of options to change on the app. So now the next thing is to see the day view and night view for the video. So that's coming up next. Okay, now let's start with the front camera. This is the day view for the front camera, 2K resolution, and for the front camera it looks very good. The license plates are readable. You can see the cars pretty clear. The resolution is great because this is 2K resolution for the front. So I like it. I can see everything, the license plate. This one has HDR, and as you can see, it's working pretty good. Everything is super clean and clear, and I can read everything, license plate, I can see the car model, the color of the car. So for the front camera, it's great. Now this is the day view for the interior of the camera. The interior of the camera is 1080p resolution, and for the interior you don't need a lot of resolutions so this is good enough for the interior. Everything looks good for me, in my opinion, so for the interior it's good. Okay, and this is the day view rear camera. The rear camera is at 2K resolution. You can see everything pretty good. It's very good. If you see the letters upside down, it's because I forgot to flip the screen. Okay, but as you can see, you can read the license plate. It's good. Resolution is good. It looks a little bit dark because my rear window is tinted, but still you can see the cars, the license plate, everything is clean and clear. You can see the other cars. So for the rear camera during the day, it's good. I approve it. And now let's start with the night. This is the night view for the front camera. The front camera 2K resolution. Okay, so this one has a night vision. So as you can see, this one looks great. At night too, you can see license plates, cars, everything clean and good. Even you can see the clouds at night. That is amazing. So everything is good. For the front camera is nice. I like it. Okay, and now this is the night view for the interior of the camera, 1080p resolution. So this one has night vision. It looks good. So for the interior, 1080p at night, it looks good. Okay, and this is the night view for the rear camera, 2K resolution. As you can see, the glare affects a little bit on the camera. It doesn't let you see the license plate, but as you can see it, when the car gets closer, it's readable. But my spoiler is blocking the license plate a little bit, but you can see it. You can see the license plate. You can see the cars. You can see when the car gets closer. You can see right there everything. Okay, this one is a 2K resolution, but it still struggles a little bit at night because of the night view. Okay, so now that you already saw all the videos, you can decide if you want to get this camera. This camera is pretty good. 2K resolution for the front camera, 2K resolution for the rear camera, 1080p for the interior, has a night vision, has a new chip 2 Starvis for the new chip, Sony Starvis, so it helps a lot for the front camera. On the rear camera, I think it will struggle a little bit with the glare of the lights of the car, but still is visible. Okay, so the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get this camera. But if you find this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.